Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And first, open advanced recovery options from to troubleshoot this issue. So first method, turn on the PC. When the Windows logo appear, hold the power button until turn off. Repeat 3 times. On the fourth startup, Windows will show display prepare automatic repair. And then after that, click on option troubleshoot. Then again click to advanced options. And then click on restore. No, before that, click on troubleshoot and advanced options and then click on command from. Then type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. After that, it will start scanning of your system and your corrupted Windows file, corrupted drivers to restore. Should be take some time if you have a lot of data, but this is so mandatory. Okay, so after this is first method, and then next second method. After that is completed, then close this, then click troubleshoot, advanced options again, and click to show restore point, system restore point. Then next, now you can see lot of system restore point it will show. So select this file which is when your system is normalized. Okay, select like this and then next finish, then click to yes, and after that it will prepare to the restore, and it will take some time to restore, and then after that normal boot, and then please check. Okay guys, thank you.